What if machines could think and learn just like us? That's the idea behind artificial intelligence, or AI for short. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? Let's break it down in simple terms. At its core, AI is about giving machines the ability to learn from data. This involves feeding vast amounts of information into algorithms that can identify patterns and make sense of complex datasets. These algorithms then use the insights gained to make decisions or take actions based on that learning. For instance, AI can help in predicting stock market trends, diagnosing diseases, or even driving autonomous vehicles. Think of it like teaching a computer to think and act like a human brain, but at super speed. Unlike humans, AI can process and analyze data at an incredible pace, making it possible to solve problems and perform tasks that would take humans much longer to accomplish. This ability to mimic human cognition while operating at such high speeds is what makes AI so powerful and transformative in various fields. Just like a child learns through experience, AI algorithms are trained on massive amounts of data. They find patterns, identify trends, and use that knowledge to make predictions or solve problems. This learning process is often powered by something called deep learning, which uses artificial neural networks, complex structures inspired by the human brain, to analyze and process information. AI is already transforming the world around us. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, assisting self-driving cars navigate, creating personalized recommendations, and even generating art and music. But the potential of AI goes far beyond these examples. As AI continues to evolve, it has the power to revolutionize every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and education to transportation and entertainment. Imagine a world where AI can predict and prevent diseases before they even occur, personalize learning experiences for every student, optimize traffic flow to reduce congestion and emissions, and create immersive entertainment experiences that adapt to our preferences in real time. The possibilities are truly endless. And as we continue to push the boundaries of what AI can achieve, we are on the brink of a new era that will transform the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. So, the next time you hear about AI, remember, it's not just about robots and science fiction. It's a powerful tool that's already making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. From healthcare to education, AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. Imagine a world where medical diagnoses are faster and more accurate, where personalized learning is accessible to everyone, and where mundane tasks are automated, giving us more time to focus on what truly matters. AI is not just a distant dream, it's a reality that's here to stay. It's helping us solve complex problems, improve productivity, and enhance our quality of life. And who knows what incredible possibilities the future holds. The potential is limitless, and the journey has just begun. Let's embrace this technology and work together to shape a better, smarter future for all. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. We love hearing your thoughts and are here to help you understand more about AI and its impact on our world. Hope you found this video useful. If you like our content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The AI Spy. It really helps us to continue bringing you the latest insights and developments in the world of artificial intelligence. See you next time, and stay curious.